Towels here. This is Kuya. And ayan yung table. Ayan. Kuya, my God. Can you get another towel, please? Well, Kuya, bring one. Merong bola si Kuya. What? Yung pa-float?
There's a big floaty in there, but I'm not blowing it up. Why didn't you get the soccer ball so we can just throw it?
You just have to be careful, okay? That's right.
Yeah, get the soccer ball. You get the soccer ball.
Don't make it go over the fence.
No.
Better not. See me there or not. Or you see me in the water.
Freezing.
Get in there.
It's meant
Shit's off. Shit's off.
No pushing people in.
Yeah, no pushing.
Don't push it. And
TJ.
over the fence.
No pushing,
It's
okay?
cold.
Shit, go before the shit there, look. Yeah.
No, oi.
No,
You wouldn't push it up on the body like that. Stop.
hurry up.
Look, it's not even just, no, you go in there and then we both go in. No, come on. TJ. Someone else to get in there and get it.
Don't even think about it.
No pushing, please, okay?
It's gonna go over the waterfall.
Don't quit.
Napaka-sexy ng pool na to. Si Holly, excited pa naman yung mag-swimming. Ngayon, ayun, natutulog siya.
Do that, go do chocolate.
Give me the ball here, though.
What?
I'll hold on to that. All right.
Did you have it?
No. Now you got to do?
Two. No. Two? No, you did two. No, you didn't. I didn't say it. Come in. Dude, no, I will if you did two. Dad will just...
I've got the ball. Ooh.
Just come in.
You get in. Don't
No,
think
no
about it.
splashing, please.
That's good recovery. Can't do this.
That's right.
Get in. Don't
Oh,
splash.
he'll get in.
We'll get in.
Half ball.
No.
Okay. Okay. No, not at the same time. Come here. Not at the same time.
Could have been it gone out done with it. If you hold it
Hang
down.
on, don't push me. You
Once you
push
get it back, you know, then oh, it's going.
It's too cold. It's too
You
cold.
already got recovery in the floor on the bench.
On the bench, okay. Oh. Come on!
Come
Why
on,
are you
just...
this level? I am. And then you go. No, you're pushing. Go over there.
No pushing, okay?
Alright, about the same. Ready? Three, two, one.
No, Zachary. May pagkadaya-daya
There you
ka.
go. Oh, look at that. Oh.
I'm a den.
Buffing up. That's good to you. Mustard sack.
Oh, what? Just go.
Zach, don't do that. Come on, I'm gonna be flat.
That's what
Zach!
someone did and got TJ.
You'll slip. Hold on there.
I'm not going
Grab him, DJ. Grab him.
Grabe! No swing. No pushing. Oh, no, 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 that's enough. Tuy.
Right, you're in your nail back. Right, I done. Right.
That's right. No pushing, no, please.
Better after this.
Zach, be careful with that corner, I said. May... Medyo malamig pa eh.
Just go to this one.
No, I'm
Benny. Can I get that pink thing?
No, I'm staying in there.
The sun, stars, and moon, all feeling brighter, with feeling new. Do what you do. You took my day, filled them with light. Now I can say, baby, it's our time together. Well, I wanna live my life with you forever. When you're with me, I better. Gonna make it through highs and lows, any weather. It's a time together. It's a time together. We're gonna make it any better. Just close your eyes, tell me your dream.
Good evening. Nakatulog ako. And then si Jan, umakyat dun, sabi niya, I'm cooking the sausages, can you help me? Ayan, gising na rin si Holly. Gamit ko yung ating roll. Kasi tinanggal ko na yung ating bralette. Oh. Pagising ko, di ba may malaking mirror dun sa bathroom? May paila, hindi doon sa mirror. Sa labas, nag-reflect doon sa mirror. Ang ganda. Kasi di ba sabi niya may lake doon? Meron sila doon na parang ganap. Han, have you seen that light? Wow. Colorful light? Along the river? Na? Ito pa yung isa. Where's Zachary? Bed. Iniwanan ko sila naliligo, diba, sa pool. Tapos iniwan ko kayo dito para i-charge. Oh, yung nag-nap ka na, pero yung kapal ng yun. And eggs, Han? No, you don't need eggs. Ito na ayun na yung first batch. Okay. Check nyo lang. All good, yes.
Right, take that.
Yeah.
Probably enough.
Yeah, I think it's alright, no?
Yeah, I'll probably have that one.
Yeah,
that'd be right.
that will be okay. Okay, isa lang. Huwag na natin lutuin lahat. Kasi, it's
Turn it
fine.
off?
Yes, I did. Okay, butter.
Lights.
Huh?
Lights. It's too dark.
Yeah, it's dark. It's not. Yeah, yung complaint lang namin dito, yung lights nila, hindi ganun ka bright. Ayan. Ito na kayo. So, i-butter na natin yung kanilang. Gusto ko yung height ng nila, ng bench.
But then,
Yeah.
Hindi ayan tamang-tama lang sa height ito. What's the hand? The what?
Put a microwave in, yeah.
There, like that. So this back.
Can I have an ice cream after?
Yeah.
What's that?
It doesn't mean I'm done.
They don't have steak knife.
Yeah, there is. Next one down.
They're crispy.
Yeah, put them in the microwave, but like,
Why?
soften.
Oh, medyo kasi ayaw
Yeah,
yung
I've got
matigas.
two covered.
Yeah, nice. This is nice. Oh, he just did.
Ayan, cute ng nila. Sage.
It looks like a mint green.
Sage, ang kulay niya.
Okay, I'm having
Ayan,
that.
ayan,
I'm having
malambot na.
that.
Malambot
Can
na
you
siya.
half now, please?
Yes.
Love, I never knew until the day that I met you. Colors were gray, melodies sung, sounded the same. The sun, stars, and moon, all feeling brighter, worth feeling new. Do what you do. You took my days, filled them with light. Now I can say, baby, it's our time together. Girl, I wanna live my life with you forever. When you're with me, I get better. Yeah, I'm gonna make it through highs and lows, any weather. It's a time together. It's a time together. I'm gonna make it through any weather. Just close your eyes, tell me your dreams, all that's inside, all that you need. Hope for a future, beautiful view. Show me the new.
Are you feel better?
Yeah, like a lot.
Way better.
Why? I need a snack.
Huh?
I just need a nap.
You just need a nap. Ayan yung couch.
Girl, I wanna live my life with you forever. When you're with me, I get better. Yeah, I'm gonna make it through highs and lows, any weather.
Good morning. 6:40 na guys. And si Sak ready na. Ito yung first game nila. Ang kanilang makakalaban ay Queensland. So yun, nakabihis na rin. And alam niyo ba si Holly may sakit? So, pinapalayo namin siya kay Sak. Ngayon pa talaga siya nagkaan. Kasi di ba kaghapon hindi na siya feeling well? Ito lang, magkakaroon siya ng lagnat. Pinainom namin ng ano. Kagabi pinainom na yun ng Nurofen. Pagtapos yung mag-ayos, painumin ulit. Ito yung hat natin. Okay. Then yung sapatos na gagamitin natin ay itong Gucci na mayroong character. Si Doreen ba to? Ayan. Matangkad kasi to. Yung suot kasi natin ngayon is yung sobrang haba. Hindi ko pa nalalagay yung aming mga gamit dyan sa walk-in closet. Gamitin ko sana yung magsinela sana. Kaso, baka malinis natin yung oval doon. Dahil nga mahaba to, sobrang haba nito, diba? Lalo na yung dalawa. So, ito na lang para medyo mataas. Pasok ko kaya ito para mamaya, maano ko lang. Itong gamit yung shade today. Kasi yung isa, nasisilaw pa rin ako. Kasi ano lang yung parang maano siya. Hindi ko kung tawag, hindi siya dark. So yan yung ating OOTD today. Rin sa amin ang dalhin ito. Yung aloe ba? Ito, try natin ito si aloe. Dala ko to sa Yamba. Hindi rin natin nagamit. Okay lang ito si aloe. Pinang din ba ito? Kasi magdadala akong jacket eh. Tapos kay Holly. Lagay ko yung bag ko isa. Pwede naman. Lagay ko na lang yung isang bag. Dalhin ko na lang to. Tapos paggabi, etong dalhin ko. Bag na isa. Itong malaki. We'll see. But yeah, ito yung OOTD natin. Si Holly, hindi siya ngayon pumunta dito. Nakita nyo? Hindi siya pumunta dito. Wala siyang energy. Ay, yung hikaw ko pala. Ito yung ating mga accessories. Yan, dito na tayo sa car. 7:20 na. I got hot here for you, Holly. Okay, ayan siya. Ang low ng energy niya. Dito na tayo.
First exit.
Made it. What time is it now? It's only 7:39. It's not that far.
At least we know what we're doing, where we're going, who
Yeah,
we're
we're not
doing. Because there's
rushing.
girls and that as well.
Yeah. At least we're not rushing.
That's right.
Yeah, we got lots of park. Okay, we're here, guys. 8:30 kasi gather sila lahat ng team bago mag
Does the
8:30.
boys have to do it as well, or is it just the girls?
Come on, we're here, Holly. Baba. Don't wipe it on your lips because you got. Come on.
That's what the training's about. Just warm up, go easy.
Love, I never knew until the day that I met you.
Pinahubad sa akin yung hat natin. Etong pinapalit. Tuwing kami ni Sir. Uy, Sir. Ayan. Ito yung bigay sa amin ng SA.
Leg.
And ang aking baba. Do you wanna wear that one? Is
Leg.
Ang laki ng court. Netball court doon. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami. But yeah, dito sila maglalaro. Yung dalawa.
Here. Here. Come in. There's a lot of you always follow.
Smiley faces in the vapor, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at. Every exit's getting louder. I'd assure you that it's nothing, but you never saw it coming, none of it. But then how could you now?
Okay, punta na tayo. Yeah. Punta na tayo kung saan mag-gather sila. Ito na yung team ni Sak. And meron doon na pictorial na nagaganap. Ayan. Yeah.
Where is he over there?
No, he's coming now here. Where are you playing? This one? And si Kuya. Kuya. They went over at the back of that building.
Is everyone else?
Yeah. Kailangan niya dalhin yung bag ni Sak doon kay Saki Boy. Umalis na sila dyan sa field. Nandun sila sa likod. Punta tayo dito sa canteen nila. Ako ng hot chocolate. Kasi medyo malamig yung hangin. Nilalamig ako. Okay lang sana kung walang hangin. Ang ganda sana ng overcast. May hangin kaya medyo malamig. Saan yung canteen nila? Ay, hindi to canteen. Hindi to yung mga team. Ayun yung atin yung red. Yung mga kalaban nila blue. Ayun. Magsisimula na yung ceremony. Ayan na yung buong stage. Yung maglalaro the whole week. Naka-line up na sila dun sa oval.
We'll get started with the opening ceremony. On behalf of Queensland Representative School Sport, I would like to welcome Madam Mayor Rosanna Natoli, School Sport Australia National Sport Advisor Jeff Hayes, Christy Roth, President of the Maroochydore Brews Junior AFL Club, the top end, the Northern Territory in Maroochydore, ready to play Riverland and Metropolitan Adelaide. The South Australian girls and boys teams feature 23 players selected from over 80 during the competitive 3-day trial. Through trial matches and a team camp, they form strong bonds that reflect their skill, commitment and love for the game of AFL. They take the field with pride, passion and the unity that defines South Australian football. Both teams are proud to wear the red, blue and gold and are excited to compete here in sunny Maroochydore as part of their AFL journey. Please welcome South Australia. Representing Victoria, we are very excited about competing here in Maroochydore at hard for the past 2 months in preparation for this event. Great event. Please welcome Victoria. The Western Australian teams are real players and even returners and rivals who take on the responsibility. Hello? Nara Wanyanawam, which is now like to introduce Tai Hanare to sing the national anthem. Could everyone please be standing?
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. Australia fair.
Tough, and they are every step with this championship. This championship brings together the best school-aged footballers from across the country. Over the coming days, we will witness not only incredible skill and athleticism, but also the values that underpin school sport: respect, teamwork, fairness and friendship. To our athletes, you have earned the honour of representing your state territory, and we congratulate you. Play hard, play fair, and enjoy the opportunity to test yourself against the best in the nation. There we go. To our coaches, managers, officials, volunteers and families, thank you for the dedication and support that makes like this possible. Your work behind the scenes allows our students to shine on the field. I would especially like to acknowledge our student officials, the ones down the end, for volunteering their time to umpire at these championships. Umpiring Australian football is a challenging role, made even more so in today's environment where the
Think of AFL here on the Sunshine Coast, where you can showcase your talent on the field and build friendships off the field. I would like to invite Madam Mayor Rosanna Natoli to welcome and officially open the championships. Good morning and thanks for joining us here on this beautiful Sunshine Coast day. How amazing, let me start, was our national anthem. Ty is a local boy. Let's give it up for Ty. It is about sharing a purpose. It is about all of the wonderful things that come from being in a team. It's about the physical activity. For those of us who just cheer from the sidelines, it's about the spirit of sport. You are a part of something truly special here today. A national event that brings people together, and we celebrate footy talent. You are not just playing footy here today. You are building friendships, learning life skills, and really setting yourself up for a future that involves those true spirit, those true elements of good sportsmanship that you will carry through to when you are sitting on the other side here as adults looking at your future. Because that ability to play in a team, to focus, to head towards a shared purpose, that's something that unites us all, each and every one of us. I hope too that you play hard, play fair, and that you all really enjoy this for what it's intended to be. A fabulous celebration of all the good things of sport. And we all model that. And for you, selected to represent your state, this is a moment you'll remember forever. I know, my husband represented the schoolboys back in God knows when he was 13, and he still talks about it now. So you'll remember it forever, and you'll be able to share that with your children and their children about how once you came to the Sunshine Coast and you kicked an awesome goal or you took a really fabulous mark. These memories are etched in our minds forever. So enjoy that moment. Enjoy that opportunity that's here on the Sunshine Coast. Again, so proud to have you here. Good luck to each and every team. No favourites, Queensland. And each of you will have your own favourites. Where have you travelled from? Cheer if you're from Queensland. Okay, cheer if you're from New South Wales. Oh, good. Victoria? Okay, Northern Territory. Oh, strong contingent. And WA? I've already... Yes? Okay, did I miss anybody? Because I didn't go down the line. ACT! And South Australia. Okay, now Queensland, you were first, and you've seen how much better everyone else was. Go Queensland! Alright, well, I'm sure that you will cheer loudly from the sidelines. Let the games begin, and with that, I officially declare the championship open!
Black boys.
Yep, students and team officials, you may stand and go to your areas or with your officials.
What?
Half.
Bumili pala ako ng nuggets and chips and egg and bacon. And eto, nag-hotdog na sila kanina.
I'm getting a snorkel.
Ayan, kuha siya ng snow cone. Lagyan lang natin ito ng sauce. Alam ko anong flavor ang gusto niyang kunin kasi ang dami.
I'm gonna get bubblegum.
What flavor did you get?
I got pink lemonade. I got blue raspberry and I got mango.
Yeah, okay. Is he good? Good? Alright, let's go. Yeah, don't eat too much with chicken nuggets and chips. Hi, Jamie. I got egg and bacon, hon. Is it good? You're playing 12:30. Dito pa kayo soccer kasi hindi pa naman nag-start yung laro ni soccer. And eto, ayan. Malapit na. Malapit. Go, pull it. I can pull it if you want. It's just hanging.
I don't want you to pull it out.
Quick. Go.
I'm scared.
I'll do it.
No.
Natanggal niya na yung tooth niya. And dito na tayo nakaupo kasi in 30 minutes mag-start na si Lahat. Yung girls, natalo sila by 7 points yung SA.
They lost by a goal.
And 1 point. So, 7 points. 1 goal and 1 point. So, dito tayo nakaupo.
It feels weird.
What? Weird.
And my tooth is already growing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, inside? Nandun sa pinakailalim. Don't touch. Yung tooth niya, nasa loob. Gagamitin natin pala yung phone. Kasi yung ating DJI walang pag-asa sa zoom in. So, we'll see. Kayo na mag-adjust. Kayo na mag-adjust sa aking mga kuha. Kasi syempre, may excite na naman tayo and I'm hoping na hindi ako sumigaw. Kasi nakakaya sa aking mga kasama, mga seniors. Ayan. Baka palisin tayo dito.
I have my fruit box.
Yes, kuya.
The apple juice.
So, lahat kaming mga parents, nakahat kami. Ito yung hat na gamit namin.
My hat's in the car, but we're
Yeah.
in the shelter.
Shelter, yeah. We're in the shelter, so we're good. So, nasa phone na tayo. Igamit na natin ang phone. good luck, boys. Ayan si Sam. Yan, start na. Ayan si Sam. Go, Sam. Good job, Taki boy. Go again. Go, Sam. Come on, come on, come on. Kick it. Mark it. Good job. Go. Yeah. So everyone's standing now. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, kick. Go, Zach. Good job, Zach. Hold on, Zach. Oh. Come on, boys. Go, that's yours. Yes. Good job. Good job, boys. Yes. Good job. Oh. Come on, one of you. Oh. Up, up. Good job. Good job. So yun na siya. Careful not to fall, ha? Oh, go! Oh, help, 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 help. Come on. Oh. Come on. Up, up. Yeah. Good job, good job. Yes, good mark. Yeah, yung mga fathers nandun, no? Come on, kick. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, good job. Help, help, help. Hold on, come on, no, no. Oh, help, help. Oh, so low. What are you doing? Come on. Help, help, help. Kung nakagol yung kalaban. Come on, Jimmy. Oops. Come on. Go, Zach. Oh my God. Go, Zach. Oh, don't get hurt. Oh, come on. Go, Saki. Oh. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh, Zach. Come on, come on. Oh, no. Oh. No, 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 no. Point. Tapos na yung first quarter, lamang yung Queensland. Wala tayong score. Naka 2 goals and 1 point yung kabila. Ito na yung third quarter. Yung score 26 and 6 sa atin. Naka 4 goals kasi yung Queensland. Tayo isang goal pa lang. Tapos may 2 points pa yung Queensland. Come on, boys. 3 goals. Kailangan nila ng 3 goals or 4 goals. Oh my God, kaya ba? Go, ayan si Saki. yung position ni Sak. Kanina nasa center siya. Malapit siya sa goal ngayon. Malapit siya sa goal ng kalaban. Okay, okay. Oh, come on, come on! Oh, yes! Oh! Yes, 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 go! Yes! Oh, no! Point. Oh, my God. Naka-point at least point. Go, Zach. Habulin. Ayan si Zach. Oh. Zach, go get it, Zach. Come on, come on. Come on. Yes, come on. Go, one more. Oh, dali. Yes! Oh no. Come on, keep the ball here. Keep the ball here. Come on, keep the ball here. Come on. Tapos na yung third quarter. Naka-goal ulit tayo, pero mas maraming goal sa sa kabila. 7 goals sa kanila, sa ating dalawa. Lamang sila ng 5 goals. Oh my God. Yung last quarter. Go. Si Holly pala, kinuha niya na yung jumper niya kasi malamig na yung hangin. Go, 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 go! Help! Someone help! Come on! Yes! Ayan. Come on! Come on, boy! Ay! Almost! Come on, one more! Come on! Yes! Ayan na! 4! Tatlo pang goal! Come on! 3 more goals! 3 more goals! 3 more goals! We can catch up. Come on, come on, oh no, no, no. Sak, Sak! Go, Sak! Go, Sak! Good job. Run, run, run. Good job. Kick, 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 go! Ay! Almost. Come on, one more. Dali, 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 dali. Yeah! Come on! Yes! Come on, catch up! Wala, dalawa na lang. 2 more goals. Come on, 2 more goals. Wala. 2 more. Come on, boys. Come on. Bantayan mo lang dyan sa huwag makascore yung kabila. Come on, 2 more goals. We have 6 minutes. 1 more. Yes, yes. Really? Go, 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 Sak! Go, Sak! Go, Sak, kid! Go, Sak! Go, Sak! Yes! Well done, Sak! Yes! Right. Yes! Yeah, well done, Sak! Oh no! Yes, yes! Yes! Oh my God! Yes! Come on, 4 more minutes! Yes! 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 1 more goal! Go, SA! Good job! Diyan si Sak, di ba? Sak, I know, she's from that far and then he went to the front. Well done, Saki. Kasi dyan dapat si Sak, bantay lang siya dyan, pero hindi, tumulong siya kasi pwede naman siyang tumulong doon. Good job, Saki boy. One more! One more goal! Come on, keep! Go, 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 go! Oh no! Kick, yes! Out! Lang na! Oh no! Yes! Yes! Go, 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 go! Come on! Oh my God, one more! Go, SA! Leave it there! Oh my God, how many minutes? 3 minutes. Come on. Just 2 goals. Yes! Sorry. Sorry. SA, come on! Come on! Lucky then. Sorry. We were so quiet for first and third quarter. Come on, just one more. Come on, kick. Oi, come on. Boys, where's... Oh, come on. Go, Zach. Oh my God, help. Okay, carry on. Come on. Oh no, Zach! Yes, out. Go, Zach. Oh! Go, boys. Run. Oh no. Oh my God, 1 minute na lang. Oh my God, they're just gonna take their time. Go. No one's there, hurry up. Go. Shepherd. Oh no. Go, Zach. Go, run. Oh no! Ang mainit na lamang kasi 1 goal lang. Come on. No, they're just gonna take their time. Go! Oh! Panalo sila. Panalo yung Queensland. So they done well. One goal. Short ang daddy kasi si Sak may natanggap. Wait lang tayo kasi may gumagamit pa ng room. Well done, Sak.
Alright, but they came to play. They deserve that win. Alright, so we might get out best players tonight. Zachary to win the award. We didn't give up. We didn't give up. We had to get 6 goals in that last quarter, and we were 8.4. Okay, so he showed a lot of heart. We got to take that now moving forward. Right? We don't go back to that first 3 quarters where we played loose. You can't give them their 3 minutes. They fit up. They honoured the lead. They used the ball well. I've never seen a Queensland team like that.
5 minute warning.
That's the best team I've seen.
5 minute warning.
Right, so get all you gear, don't leave anything here. Tonight we're meeting 5:30. We're a bit lucky because where we're meeting, they've just opened it up for us. Okay, so we've got the place to ourselves. It's at the beach bar and grill. So it's on that sheet. It's on the Facebook page. Thanks for your support, guys. We didn't get the result we wanted. Apologies for that.
Okay, couple of important things. We didn't get the win for the armband, but I think the armband's more about
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you're not allowed there because they're playing.